In today's video, I am going to show you a secret strategy that I use to choose the right ClickBank product and Digistore 24 product to start driving traffic to and make money in passive income. All right, this is a very simple strategy that nobody talks about, and I'm going to show you how to do this, and you can start making sales every single day. All right, and for those who are watching this channel for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos as well. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. This is a course where you are going to learn how to make money in passive income with CPA marketing. All right. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. So like I said, for affiliate product like the ones you find on Digistore 24 and ClickBank, you literally have to make a sale to make money. And it's not as difficult as many people think it is. I'm going to show you how to choose the right product, and you will definitely start making sales every single day. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a Digistore 24. It's available worldwide, unlike ClickBank. All right, I'm not going to be walking through the registration process. Like I said, it's available worldwide. So all you just need to do is create an account right away, and you want to come over to the marketplace section. And all I'm going to show you in this video applies to ClickBank as well. All right, so once you have your account created and you are in the marketplace, you want to come over to any of the categories right here. So I'm going to be taking this animal and pets as an example. So if you click on this category right here, the first thing you want to do is you want to basically look at the product that is being listed in that category. All right, as you can see, this first product right here says Dog Trainer Bible. All right, and you can see the commission right here is going to pay $33 for every single sale you make. So basically this means this is a dog product on how to train a dog. So what you want to do from here, you want to head over to Google Trend, and you want to know if this niche is getting a lot of traffic or a lot of traction on Google. All right, so you want to come over to googletrends.com or trends.google.com. So once you come over to trend.google.com, you want to type in keyword that is very related to that niche or that product, which is dog training. So you want to type in how to train a dog. All right, and then you want to click on search term. Also, you want to make sure the country section is selected to worldwide. All right, and you want to search for the last 3 months. Okay, so once you click on this section, you want to come over to this web search and you want to change it to YouTube search. So once you do that, as you can see right here, okay, you can see the curve is going up and down, up and down. So basically for May, you can see on May 18th, it has 67% of search traffic. And you can see on the 21st of May, it has over 80% search traffic. This search term right here, you can see this is a product for how to train a dog. So literally, you know for sure that how to train a dog is a very hot topic on YouTube right now. Okay, so I'm going to take another example right here, which says how to train your puppy. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to type it right here. I'm going to change it to how to train a puppy. You can see the spike in trend now for how to train a puppy is hot on YouTube right now. You can see the curve is pointing upward. All right, so now let's take one more example, all right, to show you that you can actually do this for any of these categories right here. So I'm going to be taking this social media right here. All right, so you can see this product right here, Instapreneur Secrets, basically teaching how to grow on Instagram. And this one is also teaching on how to grow on Instagram. So basically, I know Instagram is a very hot niche. So I'm going to basically still show you how to do this for Instagram as well. So you want to basically just type how to grow on Instagram. As you can see right here, the graph is pointing upward right here, which is at 64. So once you see the graph pointing upward, it means the niche is currently getting a lot of traffic from YouTube. All right, so like I said, you want to make sure you select YouTube right here. So now I'm going to be taking Instagram as an example. So basically what you want to do is you want to basically go over to Google and type in how to grow on Instagram 2022. All right, you can see there are a lot of search results right here that you can basically click on any of these links right here. You can basically rewrite those articles, or you can have someone on Fiverr rewrite those articles for you. All right, so I'm going to be taking this one that I've made available to you as an example right here. So basically it's very easy. All you just need to do, once you've done that, you want to basically go back to Digistore 24, and any product that you decide to promote for Instagram, like I said, I'm taking this as an example. All right, so this one right here is going to pay $7 per sale that you make. And also if you go back to Google Trend right here, you can also see where majority of the search traffic is coming from. You can see right here is from tier 1 countries for this how to grow on Instagram, which means most of the people who are looking for how to grow on Instagram are from these countries, as you can see right here. As you can see, majority are tier 1 countries, which means they can absolutely purchase this product right here. Basically, you just need a few sales a day to make $100 with this product. And I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to any of the product that you decide to go with. So once you've gone over to Google and you've chosen an article and rewritten it, you want to come over to Google Docs and you want to paste the article right here. All right. Also, you can come over to this website right here, plr.com, which gives you readily, as you can see right here, over 100,000 articles are available on this website right here. So basically whatever niche that you go with, if you don't want to rewrite any article, you can just come over here and grab any of these articles. As you can see right here, it's 100% free. You can even claim to be the author of these articles. All right, so basically those are the two options you have. You can either go over to Google and you can rewrite any of the articles from the search results, or you can come over to plr.com and grab any of these articles that is absolutely free to use. You don't even need to rewrite the articles. Okay, so once you've done that, like I said, you want to come over to Google Docs. So basically you want to go to docs.google.com and you want to paste your article right here. All right, so once you've done that, you want to go over to either ClickBank or Digistore 24 and you want to grab your affiliate link as this one right here. All I need to do is click on it and copy this link right here. All right, you can see this is the product right here. Once anybody make a purchase to this product, I make $7. All right, so like I said, majority of the people who are looking for this product are from the first world countries. All right, so what you're going to do from here, you want to copy your affiliate link and then you want to come back to the product and you want to type in best way to get followers on Instagram. And of course, this is going to depend on whatever niche you are promoting, and you want to basically shorten your affiliate link on Bitly, or you can use tinyurl.com. If you don't want to use Bitly, as you can see right here, you can use tinyurl.com. All you just need to do is paste in your Digistore 24 link right here. So basically you want to come over here and you want to paste in your link right here. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is click on the share. All right, so once you copy the link, so if I go to a new tab and paste the link right here, as you can see, it's going to bring anybody who has access to that link to this page. So once they go over this article right here, they are going to see this link right here, and if they click on the link, it's going to bring them to this product, and if they purchase the product, you make money. All right, so literally that is how simple it is. For whatever category you decide to go with, the process is virtually the same. All right, now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this product. So you basically want to come over to YouTube and type in how to go on Instagram. So once you do that, you want to come to the filter section and you want to filter by this week, because you want to go for the most recent videos. All right, as you can see right here, this video right here is getting 25 views every hour. All right, you can see this one right here is getting 47 views every hour. All right, you can see these are new videos. So once you click on any of the video, all you just need to do is scroll to the comment section of this video and you want to leave a short comment recommending this product right here. So basically, like I said, you are not going to be sharing your affiliate link. You are only going to be sharing the link to this guide right here. So basically, once you come over to the comment section, you can just type in how you find a useful guide on Google for those who are interested in growing on Instagram. And you can leave the link right there. And remember, everybody that comes to the comment section, they are going to see this comment. All right. And if they click on it, it's going to take them to this page. And if they find this useful and click on this link, they get directed to the ClickBank or Digistore 24 product. And once they make a purchase, you make money. And it's also important, like I said, you want to go for new videos that are getting a lot of views every hour, which means a lot of people are going to see that comment. And once they see that comment, some of them are going to click on that link. So basically, that is how you can drive traffic to any of the ClickBank product or Digistore 24 products. And that is how you can repeat the same process for as many of these categories as possible. All right. So basically, that brings us to the end of the video. And if you find any value, drop a like on this video. And if you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.